You gon' bust for the team or what? Let my ass bitch on scene for what? You gon' drop it to your knees or what? Make it clap, make it.
Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danyelanyssa. I do beauty, lifestyle, and more. And if you enjoy that, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So for today's video is what's on my laptop, what's on my MacBook Pro 13-inch. So this is my MacBook. I have a clear case on it, but you can't tell on the top because I put stickers all over it. So here's some of the stickers. Sorry for the glare from my ring light, but I have different kinds of stickers. My boyfriend did buy stickers from Amazon, and I picked out which ones I liked, so I put them all on there. And I have the color Space Gray, and this is what it looks like. Very pretty. I have a screen protector on my screen, and I have a protector on my keyboard, so I won't get my keyboard dirty. And I do have the touch bar on my laptop, and for when I edit and stuff, I do have a holder, and I got this from Amazon, so it looks like it helped the laptop from overheating and stuff like that. So I really like that, and it's really good for you because you can edit really good. You don't have to be looking down and looking. It's really eye level, and you can just look at it, and I love that for it, and it matches my laptop great. So I'm gonna do a screen record on my laptop, so when I'm talking to y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna screen record, and I can show y'all what is on my laptop. And I did get this laptop. I got this for Christmas last year, and I'm very grateful for that. So I'm gonna do okay, so I'm about to show y'all what's on my laptop right about now. So I'm on my laptop right now, and I'm showing y'all my home screen when I get on my laptop, and I'm gonna close it real quick, and y'all are gonna see. Okay, so for my lock screen, it's the same as my lock screen is the same as my home screen. So I have my name, and it says touch ID or enter password, but I usually do my touch ID, so I'm gonna do a screen record. Okay, so now I am doing a screen record, so I'm gonna be talking to y'all, and okay, I'm gonna be talking to y'all on here. So this is my desktop. I got this picture from Pinterest. I really love it. It's super cute, girly vibes, you feel me? You got Playboy, you got just lots of pink, just a girly vibe. So I have that on my savior. And so up here I have my this thing. I have a photo randomly, and I have Finder on here, and this is like random stuff. I don't want to really get into it because it's like personal stuff. So I'm just going to show you what's on here. And I do have Siri on here. I don't really use her. I use her mainly on my phone. But sometimes she don't even work. And I have Launchpad. This is all my App Store, my Safari, my mail, my contacts, my calendar, reminders, notes, maps, messages, FaceTime, photo booth, photos, preview, home, iTunes, voice memos, iMovie, news, stocks, books, dictionary, calendar, calculator. Oh my god. Siri, mission controls, system preferences, others, Google Chrome, and my Mac OS Catalina. I have all that on there, and I have my calendar at the bottom. I just have it on there to show me, just in case I forget what day it is. My thing got it on there for me. And I have notes, but I don't even get on notes really because I mainly use it on my phone. And I just mainly notes my reminder mainly on my phone. I don't really need it to put on my laptop really. I have photos. I have 2 photos on there. I really don't really use it. Like I said, I use my phone mainly. I do use FaceTime a lot. I FaceTime my boyfriend a lot on here. Sometimes in my bed. I do use my laptop or vice versa. I do that. And I do have iTunes on here. But I mainly, like I said, use it on my phone. I just have it on there just in case I need it. Safari, you know, Safari is everything to us. So I do use that. I have my App Store. I have some apps on here. And I have that on there. And then I have my system preferences. It's just like my controls and everything. Nothing fancy. and I have my install Mac thing, and then I do have Google Chrome. I use this a lot for my YouTube, and as you can tell, I do have this cute background. It has sunflowers all over it. Let me zoom in for y'all guys. This is really beautiful, and if you want to know how to change it, you go to this, oh my god, you go to this pencil right here, and you just scroll, and then you just pick whatever you like, and you click it, and it saves for you. And I have this cute background, and you can change the bar right here, and I changed mine to pink so it can like go with the vibes of my desktop screen. That's why I love it so much. And I also have QuickTime Player. This is really good when you want to do screen records on your phone, on your laptop, or anything else you need to use for it. I have my trash. I have the Mac that I still need to get into. I just mainly have that. I really don't use my computer a lot for like all the little things. I just mainly use it just, you know, for school, and then I use it for my school, I use it for my YouTube, and I do have when I edit, and I really do want to save up my money and get the Final Cut Pro, because I do use iMovie on here. Let me find it. I do use iMovie when I edit my, so I would love to try out the Final Cut Pro because I want to step up my game and stuff. So I'm pretty excited. Maybe I can get it for Christmas if I have enough money saved. So I really do use iMovie, and I enjoy it so much when I edit because it helps me out, and it's the best app for your editing. So this is all I do have on my MacBook right now. I can tell you have Bluetooth, you have your Wi-Fi, and I do like to show my battery what percentage, because I'm always on this when I edit, so you know it kills my battery, and I do not like that. And there's just some controls up here. I hate when it does that. I don't know why it's doing that. But yeah, I do have, my laptop is very basic. I really don't have anything very special or anything. So if you do want to know if this is what you like to see, so this is it really for my laptop. I'm gonna edit right here, leave it down. I am finished with my laptop. This is really what I have on my laptop right now. Honestly, this is what I have on my laptop. So this is a 13-inch base gray, like really handy. And if you would like to see what gears I have with me, what I take like when I travel, like my chargers, my camera case, if you want to know everything about that, leave it a comment down below, and I will definitely do it for y'all guys. Anything y'all will like, I will definitely try to do. So yeah guys, thank y'all guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you like what's on my laptop. Very girlyish, very simple. It gets straight to the point. You know, I just use it for school, and then I use it for my YouTube. Honestly, anything if something's different, I do have contacts. I am gonna post a video. Sorry, my lash is popping off right now, but we ain't gonna worry about that right now. But I do have contacts on. They're super cute, and I'm gonna post a video before this, and you're gonna contacts they are, so keep in touch with that. Don't forget to watch that video because these are really bomb contacts, guys, and they're really good, and I'm very happy that they're great on me right now. So I'm just gonna give you a heads up. If you haven't watched this video already, go check it out because they're bomb freaking contacts, guys. I'm telling y'all, these are really good. They actually step up your game. They actually give you confidence on how you feel because, you know, your eyes look so different. Oh yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch any of my recent videos because, you know, I'll be popping, and I might leave in the week, so I'm gonna try to see if I can post videos and all that good stuff, guys. So don't forget to watch any of my videos. Don't forget to share them. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.